Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a yogurt bowl. Start by gathering plain Greek yogurt, a bowl, a spoon, and your chosen toppings like fruit and granola. Choose a clean workspace and wash any fresh toppings. Measure portions to suit your appetite and dietary needs. I'll guide you through layering, flavor combos, and quick tips to boost texture and nutrition so your yogurt bowl tastes delightful every time. Start with a generous spoonful of Greek yogurt as the sturdy foundation and keep it slightly chilled for best texture. Add a layer of sliced bananas or berries to introduce natural sweetness and moisture. Next, sprinkle crunchy elements like nuts, granola, or seeds for contrast and satisfying bite. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a pinch of cinnamon to tie flavors together and enjoy immediately for optimal texture and freshness. Think of flavor building as pairing a main, a contrast, and a textural note to create harmony. For classic bowl, try honey with mixed berries and toasted almonds for bright sweetness and crunch. Want bold? Stir in peanut butter, sliced banana, and cacao nibs for a decadent treat that still feels wholesome. I'll share simple swaps so you can customize sweetness, tang, and texture to match any craving or dietary need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.